Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, and today we're playing Rampant Rage with Ultkin. Ooh, Ultkin. Ultkin, Rampant Rage with Ultkin. Okay, I will credit you. Because we are playing with Ultkin. As you can see, Ultkin has like 10 million dicks. He's the best Rampant Rage player ever. And this is the prize counter. Ooh, how tough. And I'm showing Ultkin all the bugs I found. And he is very angry. He is like, I'm so angry.
Let's just make this a collab.
Get up here. Yo.
Oh.
Wait, can I pull the glitch off? I can move out.
You're probably just too fat, Ultkin. Are you able to actually get in here? Cause like, it's evil. No, you're not. I'm sorry.
Okay,
Oh wait, Ultkin, you're able to get. Wait. Go down to arcade. Go down to the arcade. Go down to arcade.
Wait, how about no. Since Sniffle's here, tell him about your amazing vibe.
Wait, Sniffle's here? Oh, hello, Sniffle. Sniffle, didn't I show you? Oh wait, Sniffle's in the VC, everyone, in my video. Oh, you're look. Wait, yo, Ultkin, wait, go down to arcade. Wait, look. You're able to, wait.
I'll kill you. Okay, yeah. New Rampant Rage.
I'm super Griffin, guys.
This is the new Rampant Rage.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, it's for the upcoming event. It's called the Happy event.
Oh, Sniffle being muted is so tough. Sniffle should join the server, low key.
Alright, I'm leaving the map.
You lied to me in the end.
Oh, that is so mean.
Get huggy. Okay.
Who's DMing me? Is anyone actually DMing me, or is that just Ultkin being DM'd because I'm watching a screen share?
It was Sniffle DMing me.
If I
Ah, yes.
my DM the stuff.
So, why is Sniffle just like here but not here? Sniffle's in the VC, but he's just not talking. This guy's getting bullied, bro. Teapot Mother is like, it's like the new idol.
Sniffle said he can't speak.
Oh, is your voice too loud, Sniffle?
Bro. Oh my god, bro.
Is Sniffle the loudest Rampant Rage player of all time?
Can we actually kill this bird?
I could do that, and it's just gonna be on Rocket Arena.
Yeah, I got the meat.
I need to get 9,000 subs. Give me a shout out.
Oh yes, subscribe to Ultkin, because I only have like 16 subscribers, bro. Why is this guy like bullying me, bro? Why are you bullying me?
Or yeah, I'm getting bullied by everyone. I can't sniff it. Really bad. What does it do?
Todd does everything, bro. Oh my god, Sniffle! Is that you? Sniffle's like teleported in here, bro. Hello, Sniffle. Oh, guppies, bro. Sniffle did the guppies. And he just like left. No, and he died. Bro, Sniffle gubbied. Gubby attack, bro. I mean, I already had the skin, but... Release the gobbies. Wait, you're able to like climb up walls with it. Oh, hello, Sniffle. Sniffle, if you can hear me, please give me... Oh, it's me, Sniffle. Hello, Sniffle. If you can hear me, give me like... Sniffle, you should give me like... Sniffle, you should give me like 10 billion ticks, bro. 10 billion bajillion ticks. Right? Right, guys? Oh. Oh. Get in VC.
Can you not hear us?
Tell Max to what? Give me ticks or what? Oh. Oh.
Oh wait, someone go get the item vendor and just running around the wall. We need to ban everyone down. Annihilate them. They proceed to annihilate them.
Please don't ban me, Ultkin. Please don't ban me, Ultkin.
Who's this?
If I had it happen,
This guy, who's this guy? Come with me, sir.
You.
Come with me. They're feral, they're trying to eat me. No.
Sniffle spam.
That's one fun way to practice food. This one guy with 200 but he's the dick. Hurry up, bro! Someone tell this guy to the dick.
Yo, wait, we should get a thumbnail with me, Sniffle, and Ultkin, and Daniel, Twitted Pooey.
What about Nick?
Yeah, bro, sure, get in if you want, bro. Get in, bro, if you want. Wait, we gotta like turn the other way, bro.
The dummies! No!
Cause like
The
it's gonna.
dummies are killing me! No!
Sniffle's
Oh! I mean,
we have to push it. We have to push it.
Ow! Ow! They're picking! They're picking! No one's picking.
Okay, wait. Okay, I think this works. I think this works. Yo, Ultkin, get in, bro, get in. Oh, Sniffle, you think you can move? I got the thumbnail, Sniffle. I got the thumbnail.
Wait,
Sniffle, give me the admin panel.
Sniffle, give me the admin. Okay, bro. Just kill me, I guess. Sniffle, give me the admin panel.
Help! I'm climbing the roof. Help!
Sniffle.
Evil.
New bag. Oh my god.
Can we get another thumbnail? I want to be in there.
No.
Oh god. No. Wait, Sniffle, come with me. I want to show you bugs. Come with me.
Wait for me.
You can just come down here and do this. Look, watch. What? Oh, wait. Sorry, I got it. No! Oh, thank you, Sniffle. Okay, that's a good job, Sniffle. I think that's the best way to do things. Because if you don't... Oh, hey, yo.
Damn. I am the killer, guys. I am meaner.
Oh, Sniffle, wait, look what you can do. Look what you can do, Sniffle. You can just do, like, charge into killer-only area. Killer-only area. I'm trapped in here. I'm trapped in here, bro. Sniffle, help me. Help me. Sniffle, help me, man. No, I missed it. No, Sniffle, help me. I will stop now. I'm sorry.
Sniffle, give me the ad.
Oh my god, lick me blood. Is that it? The class.
You just charge. Well, maybe your big head.
Come here. Free tick. Don't you dare.
Ultkin, you don't have an admin panel, so you can't ban me. Oh, that's evil. Sniffle, can you give me admin panel? No turkey, Ultkin.
Me.
Oh, evil Sniffle. I need admin to get all 10 billion ticks. Yo, Sniffle, you got to knock him off the edge. Knock him off the edge, Sniffle, with your charge ability.
No, let me up.
Why is there a fake Zombob here?
Cosplayer.
Someone made a Zombob hat. Someone made a Zombob head.
I wanna see the Zombob. I wanna buy it. No, it's off sale.
I ain't stunting Sniffle. Sniffle, thank you for being in my video, by the way. You're doing a great job of being in my video. Thank you, Sniffle.
What?
You.
Oh my gosh, that was the
Really? Then you would sue Daniel for the same thing. Sniffle, I'm gonna charge off.
blind as hell.
Sniffle, why did you do that to yourself? See? That's how you do it. That's how you kill the killers in Area 51.
I'm a new badge. I'll make you winner.
That's how you survive and kill the killers in Area 51, bro.
Where? Who does this? I was the killer. And then,
Sniffle, should I become... Are you gonna let me become a tester? Cause I found all the glitches, or nah?
can I call you Nibbit?
Wait, which one are you saying okay to?
Nibbit.
Me or Daniel? Me or Total Bowie? Yay, me! Thank you, Sniffle! Yippee!
Congratulations.
Yay!
And also, can I also call you Nibbit?
You can call me Charlie.
I want to call you Nibbit.
This game almost didn't have a name. It would be No Name Killer Game.
Oh, I wonder what no name killer. I wonder what that means. What's that?
I wonder.
What that is, right?
I thought it was
Right, guys?
called
Can I call
Every
can I
SM
call you
Ever.
We all know what no name killer game is, right?
It's
Can I call you
game.
Nibbit?
Wait,
Please.
I have. Wait, are you able to get on top of the sun? That is the question.
What are you? What can you do? You're the tester. You figure that out.
Just use the charge and fly to the
Like,
No, it's like a wall.
hashtag.
It's like a wall.
Yeah, wow.
No, it's like a wall. Wait, what happened? What happened?
Can I call you Nibbit? Waiting for your approval.
Watch this, bro. Watch this.
Call you Nibbit.
Bro is like so evil.
Alright, this new name is Nibbit.
I think I'm the craziest Rampant Rage player of all time.
We all collectively know what non-killing means, right?
Yeah.
Sure, I guess.
Yeah.
Do I kill Ultkin to spawn?
No.
Yes.
Say no.
Wait,
Wait, no. If you give me 10 billion ticks, I will say no. But if you give me 0 ticks, I will say yes. Yes. Spawn Bob.
what's up, weed?
Say no first.
Yeah, spawn Bob. That's my official.
Wait, you can just like walk out the window. Wait, no, you can't.
That's one of my.
No!
What the bro die from?
I died from Sniffle killing me.
Nibbit.
Release. Where's Bob?
Where's Bob?
Find me, boy. Where are you?
Search for him. I want to search for him.
Yeah, I'm dead, bro.
Can I call-
Don't kill me.
How does Sniffle still have like? Oh wait, no. Sniffle doesn't have 1.TQA now. He just has like 0. It's called Sniff.
Can I
It's
call-
called-
can I call
his
you
full username is just Sniffleninja.
Yo, can I call
Where's
you
Bob? Where is Bob?
Where is Bob? Boy.
Release the gabbers.
No, they pinned me against the wall and they threw him on left. Oh my god, I found Bob!
Where's Bob? Wait, you found Bob?
He's inside of the building where it is.
He's inside of what room?
The building. I never.
What? What building?
The building. The building. The two. Hello, Nibbit. I'm Nibbit. That's your new name, Nibbit.
Sniffle, come to basement door.
I'm Nibbit.
Yeah, arcade's so tough, Sniffle. Arcade is so tough. Arcade's like the toughest thing ever. I like Tweety Flap.
Wait,
I like Tweety Flap. Tweety Flap is so fun.
hi, Nibbit.
I think we should invite Daniel to the Discord. Alright? Alright, guys? Right.
May I call you Nibbit?
Join VC. Consent. Invite. Sniffle is in it. So is Ultkin. I think this was like a pretty good video. So goodbye, everybody.